Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a Microsoft Surfbook Pro laptop, and this laptop is do not charging, and I power on, keeping low but voltage low. So now I will open this back side. I just hit up the back side and open this. It's little bit very hard to open, so first have to open the side. Still have to heat up with hot air or the hair dry machine. Okay, have to heat up little bit, and then slowly I have to open side by side. So battery inside, have to check this battery problem or charging socket problem or the charger IC problem. Have to check up. First heat up the full of this back side. See guys how to open this. So you have to heat up very well. It's very tough to open because all this side have the glue, so you have to open this slowly. All the plates have the glue, so slowly I have to open the glue. See guys, so one side already open, the other side I have to heat also to open this. See, we have slowly have to open. See, don't have the battery, so this side has little bit glue. Almost done, but this side have still locked, so this side have battery, so you have to open this slowly, and almost done guys. I'm almost done to open this, and here you can see this is the device, and I have to remove the battery. Here is the battery. This is the battery of Microsoft laptop, and here is the charging socket. So I disconnect. charging socket. This is the USB side, this is the charging socket side. This side is for charging, so I have to open and check what is the problem, and this is for the display connection. So here is the mouse keyboard line, so you have to disconnect all and check. So I have to connect the charging port, and now I click the laptop power, so check it's working. Also the battery down because it's do not going charge inside this laptop. Without charger also like this, see, no battery charge. So this is the problem. Where and open this all screw, I check first. And guys, now I have to remove all the screw and open this board. Okay, and I have to check here this board is okay for voltage or not okay. So I need it. So guys, I have to open this board and check the voltage. Here is okay, and here is multimeter. This laptop voltage good, you can see giving good voltage. So also now I will check the battery is have voltage or not. So battery, this battery have voltage, okay, 8 volt. This all the side positive have voltage, so this means this laptop battery is downside is okay, but the laptop inside this part have battery, there is not going the charge inside this laptop, is not going the voltage. So now have to connect again and check is working not working. So I return back this circuit and I have to connect screw, and I connect this cable, return back and return back other screw. Now I will check without this battery. Still not working. I think this cable have problem. So can check here is the voltage, is keeping perfect voltage or not. Also here is giving perfect voltage, but maybe this cable is problem, it's not going voltage that part. So I have to reconnect all this part and open that side to check up. So now I will return back the battery Okay, you have to return back the same position, and you can use the glue for mobile, or you can return back this with the old glue. Okay, so I have to open this side. This side is little bit hard to open, so if I can open that side, maybe you can find the problem and solution. And see guys, now is laptop working and giving charging this down part, and now I connect the charger, and this one also working. So see guys, now laptop is working. Guys, how to disconnect this device? See, very hard. So you need a safety pin and press from here this side. You can see this side is open, also the another side is like this. Just safety pin and the magnet will release. This side again connected. See, this side why not?
Film.
This side again. See, so guys, now I have to clean this all this side and check this is working or not working. So I can spray this place, maybe here is some problem or inside. So I can clean with brush. Now I connect the charger. You can see here is lighting, and now I hope it's charging. So I have to keep it like this long time. This device you can see is giving charging indicator light but not charging the battery. So inside the connection have to remove all this and check. So remove this board display. You have to heat up this side, and from this side you have to release the display. So I have tools for the mobile phone. This is very soft tools. I have to put it inside and then put this, remove, release slowly. First I have to heat up this side. I have to heat up little bit. Now I put this inside this side and press this. very hard to remove, so I have to heat up all this side. See guys, before I also using the another new charger. This also Microsoft Surbook another device. You see, before not charging, now this one also charging. So it was problem inside here, also the problem inside this cable. So now fix 100% good. You can see anyone I plug is working. See, this one also working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel.